Hi everyone. Tonight for supper, I'll be making black bean burritos. What all goes into the black bean burritos? 2 to 4 burrito-sized tortillas. I don't like my burritos that big, so I just got the regular flour tortillas. So 4 burritos probably would be good for that. 2 tablespoons vegetable oil. 1 small onion chopped. I won't be using the whole thing because this is my medium onion. 1/2 red bell pepper chopped. 1 teaspoon minced garlic. 1 teaspoon minced jalapeno. I have the diced. 1 15-ounce canned black beans rinsed and drained. 3 ounces of cream cheese cubed. 1/2 teaspoon salt. And 2 tablespoons chopped fresh cilantro. So let's begin. Preheat your oven to 350. Take a baking sheet and some foil. Put your 4 tortillas and wrap them up. Put your wrapped tortilla in a preheated 350-degree oven for 15 minutes or until heated through. Meanwhile, take a 10-inch skillet and heat your 2 tablespoons of oil over medium heat. Dump in your 1 small onion chopped. I did about a little over 1/2 of my medium onion. 1/2 of the red bell pepper. 1 teaspoon of minced jalapeños. And 1 teaspoon of minced garlic. And stir that for 2 minutes. Add your rinsed and drained black beans and cook those for 3 minutes. Then put in your 1/2 teaspoon of salt and the 3 ounces of cubed cream cheese and cook that, stirring occasionally for 2 minutes. Turn off the heat and put in your cilantro and stir that in. So take your heated through tortilla shell, and that's really hot. Take your filling and put it in the middle in a line. And you can probably add sour cream, cheese, whatever you want to. Fold it in on the sides. Take the end, put it over the filling, and then roll it over. So here is the black bean burrito. And rounding out the meal is cilantro, lime, and jasmine rice. Let's see what Dave thinks.
It's got pretty good flavor.
It's a black bean burrito.
Okay.
No meat.
No meat at all?
No meat at all.
Well, it's got a really good flavor to it. I like it.
I have it going so the tripping over the tripod is going to be on the recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.